Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can delete or you can remove multiple friends from your Snapchat at once. It means if you have a number of friends and you want to remove all your friends, so you can remove
When you
it,
click
but
any
there is
or click
no
or open
direct
any
method.
song,
So
here
first
at
of
the
all,
bottom left
if you
side you
have a
can
friend
find
and
the
you
option
want to
called
remove
connection.
your
Just
friend
simply
from your
click on this
Snapchat,
connection.
then open
When you
your
click on
Snapchat
this, at
account.
the top you
When
can
you
see an
open this,
option
just
called
click on
start
your
again.
profile.
So just simply click on
At your
start
profile,
again.
scroll
When you
down
click
and
on
here you
this,
will find
a
an option
pop-up
called
menu
My
from the
Friends.
bottom
Just simply
will
click on this
rise
My
up. Here
Friends.
you can see,
When you
and
click
now
on
here you
this,
can
if
see
you
the
want to remove
option
any
called
friend, just
your
simply press
QR
and hold your
code,
friend's
or you can
username
share this QR
and then
code
click
with your
on Manage
friends and
Friendship
you will
and just
start a
simply you
jam
click
with
on
your
Remove
friends.
Friend
So
and
this is
your
the
friend
way
will be
you can
removed
start
from
a
your
jam on
Snapchat. So this is
Spotify
the
with
way you
very
can
simple and
remove your
easy
friends
way.
individually. But if you want to remove all your friends and you have a number of friends, then what you will do? So there's no direct method. If you have a lot number of friends and you want to remove all, then you have to delete or deactivate your account and you have to create a new account because Snapchat did not give any option that we can remove all friends at once or in a single click. So you can remove once by one, but if you have many friends, then you have to delete your account and you have to create your new account. So this is the way you can remove your friends individually one by one, or if you want to remove all, then you have to take that path.